In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Grok's Imagine. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we first want to do is open up a Grok and sign into your account. Then from here, click onto Imagine. Now, inside of Imagine, we want to go ahead and upload a file, or we can draw a sketch. We can connect Google Drive, connect to Microsoft OneDrive, or we can go through your recents and use that for Imagine. Now, say for example, I want to turn a image into a video using Grok's Imagine. I want to go ahead and upload a file. So I'm going to choose a file inside of my computer. So I'm going to add this one here. And then from here, it's going to open up a new page. Now we can make sure that's make video. So I'm going to make sure that's selected. And then from here, type to customize your video. So basically, I'm just going to say something very simple. Make this lady sing. And then once it's uploads, I'm going to go ahead and hit send. So you can see I've changed this into an image or a video from image, which is actually looks quite good. So I'm just going to use this prompt. Now it's going to go ahead and load and start working on that. So it'll take probably 30 seconds. Okay, so there you go. I've made this lady sing. So that's how to use Grok Imagine.